In this video, let's learn how to change ringing tone on your A06 mobile. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down and go to sounds and vibration option. In here, you can see ringtone option. Click on it. You can see all pre-installed ringing tones in here. You can choose a best one. If you want to add your custom ringtone, click on this ringtone option and click on this plus mark. After, you can select your custom track using your mobile storage. In this method, you can change your mobile ringtone.